Hello, my little stars. I am so happy you are here with me today. It is a beautiful day to learn something new together. We are going to sing a song. We are going to smile and feel good. We will learn all about the 7 days of the week. We will go very slowly, so it is easy and fun. We will be so kind to ourselves as we learn. You can sing with me if you want to. You can clap your hands with me. You can tap your knees just like this. You can even sway your body from side to side like a gentle tree in the wind. Are you ready? Let's take a small, quiet breath in through our nose. Now, let's blow a soft, slow breath out of our mouth. Very good. I feel so calm and ready now. Let's wake up our amazing hands so they are ready for our song. Can you clap them together? Clap, clap, clap. What a lovely sound. Now can you tap your fingertips together? Tap, tap, tap. It sounds like little raindrops. How about we wiggle all of our fingers? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. They look like little worms dancing. Now let's use our hands to wave a big hello to everyone. Hello, friends. Wonderful. Our hands are all awake and ready to help us learn. Using our hands helps our brains remember new things. Our very first day of the week is a beautiful day called Sunday. Can you say that name with me? Let's say it slowly. Sunday. You did it. Let's say it again. Sunday. The word Sunday has a very special word inside of it. It has the word sun right at the beginning. Let's do a gentle movement for Sunday. Pretend we are big, tall sunflowers swaying. Stand or sit tall and sway side to side. Sway to the left, sway to the right. Sway, 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 so gentle. After Sunday, the next day is called Monday. Can you say that with me? Let's try it together. Monday. Great job. Let's say it one more time. Monday. Monday is the day that starts the week for many people. On Monday, we can feel brave and strong. For Monday, let's do a special hand motion. We can give a small, gentle wave with our hand. Wave, wave. After Monday comes the next day. It is called Tuesday. Tuesday. For Tuesday, let's do a fun motion with our fingers. Can you use your pointer finger to draw a big circle in the air? Right in the very middle of our 7 days is a day with a long name. It is called Wednesday. This word can look a little tricky, but it is easy to say. Let's try it together. We say it like this, Wednesday. Isn't that a funny sound? Because Wednesday is in the middle, it feels like we are right at the top of a hill. For our Wednesday movement, let's do something to show it is in the middle of our body too. Can you use your hands to gently tap your shoulders? Let's tap our left shoulder, tap. Now let's tap our right shoulder, tap. Good tapping. After Wednesday, the next day in our week is Thursday. Let's say that name together. It has a special sound at the beginning, Thursday. To make the sound, put your tongue gently between your teeth. Thursday. It is a wonderful day for stories. For our Thursday movement, let's do something that reminds us of a book. Put your hands together, palms touching. Now open your hands and close them like a big storybook. Open and close. After Thursday comes a day that makes many people smile. It is called Friday. Friday. Because Friday feels so happy. Let's do a happy movement. Let's clap our hands, slowly and gently. We have made it to the last day in our week of 7 days. This day is called Saturday. This name also has a few parts to it. Let's say it slowly together, Sat or day. Great work. Saturday is a very fun day for many families. For our Saturday movement, let's do something playful. Let's pretend we are blowing bubbles. Can you make a little circle with your mouth and blow out a soft puff of air? Puff, puff. Imagine beautiful shimmery bubbles floating all around us. So soft, so calm, so much fun. We have come to the end of our time together today. Let's take a nice slow breath in and a long soft breath out. Put your hand on your heart. Can you feel it beating? Thump, thump, thump. Your heart is proud of you. Your brain is proud of you. And I am so proud of you. Goodbye, my sweet and smart friends. Let's wave a very calm